IT Service Management tutorial. Please subscribe to our channel for future tech solutions. IT Service Management is the collection of practices, rules, and procedures that organizations use to create, provide, manage, and improve their IT services. ITSM attempts to integrate IT services with business goals, delivering effective and efficient IT service delivery to clients and users. This course will go through the fundamentals of ITSM and its essential components. Table of contents. 1. What is IT Service Management? 2. Key components of ITSM. A. Service strategy. B. Service design. C. Service transition. D. Service operation. E. Continual service improvement. 3. ITSM frameworks and best practices. A. ITIL. B. COBIT. C. ISO IEC 20000. 4. ITSM processes. A. Incident management. B. Problem management. C. Change management. D. Configuration management. E. Service level management. F. IT asset management. G. Service request management. H. Knowledge management. 5. Benefits of ITSM. 6. Challenges in implementing ITSM. 7. Conclusion. 1. What is IT Service Management? IT Service Management is a discipline that focuses on managing IT services to meet the needs of the business and its customers. It involves designing, delivering, supporting, and improving IT services through the use of processes, tools, and people. 2 key components of ITSM. A. Service strategy. This component focuses on defining the overall IT service strategy, including identifying customer needs, defining service portfolios, and developing strategies to deliver value to customers. B. Service design. Service design involves designing new or modified IT services to meet customer requirements. It includes designing service architectures, processes, and policies, as well as defining service-level agreements and service catalogs. C. Service transition. Service transition focuses on managing the transition of new or changed services into the production environment. It includes activities such as testing, training, and deployment, ensuring that services are delivered smoothly and with minimal disruption. D. Service operation. Service operation deals with the ongoing management and delivery of IT services. It includes incident management, problem management, and service desk operations to ensure that services are available and performing as expected. Three. ITSM frameworks and best practices. A. ITIL. ITIL is a widely adopted framework for ITSM. It provides a comprehensive set of best practices and guidelines for managing IT services throughout their life cycle. B. COBIT. COBIT focuses on governance and control of IT processes. It provides a framework for aligning IT with business goals, ensuring compliance, and managing IT risks. C. ISO IEC 20000. ISO IEC 20000 is an international standard for IT service management. It specifies the requirements for an organization to establish, implement, maintain, and continually improve an IT service management system. 4. ITSM processes. A. Incident management. Incident management aims to restore normal service operation as quickly as possible after an incident occurs. It involves logging, categorizing, prioritizing, and resolving incidents to minimize the impact on business operations. B. Problem management. Problem management focuses on identifying and resolving the root causes of recurring incidents. It aims to prevent future incidents from occurring and minimize their impact on services. C. Change management. Change management ensures that changes to IT services are implemented in a controlled and standardized manner. It involves assessing and approving changes, planning and scheduling their implementation, and reviewing their effectiveness. D. Configuration management. Configuration management involves managing the configuration items that make up an IT service, such as hardware, software, and documentation. It includes activities like configuration identification, control, status accounting, and verification. E. Service level management. Service level management is responsible for defining, negotiating, and monitoring service level agreements with customers. It ensures that agreed upon service levels are met and customer expectations are managed effectively. F. IT asset management. IT asset management focuses on managing the life cycle of IT assets, including their procurement, deployment, usage, and retirement. It aims to optimize asset utilization, reduce costs, and ensure compliance with licensing and regulatory requirements. G. Service request management. Service request management handles customer requests for information, support, or access to IT services. It aims to provide a standardized and efficient process for handling service requests, ensuring timely responses and resolutions. H. Knowledge management. Knowledge management involves capturing, organizing, and sharing knowledge within the organization. It aims to improve decision-making, enhance service quality, and enable efficient problem-solving. 5. Benefits of ITSM. A. Improved service quality and customer satisfaction. B. Increased operational efficiency and productivity. C. Better alignment of IT with business goals. D. Enhanced visibility and control over IT services. E. Reduced costs and risks. F. Continual improvement of IT services. 6. Challenges in implementing ITSM. A. Resistance to change within the organization. B. Lack of executive support and buy-in. C. Insufficient resources and skills. D. Complexity and integration issues. E. Cultural barriers and organizational silos. 7. Conclusion. IT service management is a critical discipline for organizations that want to provide high-quality IT services that fulfill the expectations of their customers. Organizations may increase service delivery, operational efficiency, and customer happiness by creating ITSM frameworks, applying best practices, and utilizing ITSM procedures. Note that ITSM is a developing industry, and organizations must always strive for improvement and adapt to new business demands in order to remain competitive in the digital era. Don't forget to like, comment, and share the video.